Utalimwa. 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 Utalimwa.
Baby, come and see this. Come and sit.
Chikadere. What happened to the clothes I asked you to wash and iron that I'll be needing? That tomorrow. Why did you not do as I instructed?
But baby, I told you I was going to do it. Moreover, what's the problem?
What? I am going to ask you one last time, which of course will be the last time. Why did you not wash and iron the clothes that I asked you to do?
Baby, there's anger in your voice.
What to you? Please. Why have you not?
Please.
I am the man in this house. I set the rules. You follow the rules. Am I clear?
Yes, she's clear. She's clear.
No. Am I clear?
Why did you pour me water?
Why did you pour me water? What have I done to deserve this? Eh? I'm no fear. I don't want to see a bad daughter of good parent. What are you doing in my house? I'm not going to Zapwin. In that miyale. Or sa? That miyale. Ne one.
Ne. Look at my body. Have you seen what you've done to me? Ifuria!
What is it? Eh? Hey, is it not this no idiot? Eh? I don't want to see what a for. Eh? This woman. Ask her what she's sneaking around in my compound for. Hey! Hey, who can be?
Hey! Hey! Wonder shall never cease in the holy land of Umuzu. Ne, where has it become a crime that a young girl, was just going on her own, and she decided to stop by and greet an elderly woman like you? But You don't like it, okay? No problem. I will continue with my errand. Man, I can jog. Do you know why I'm here? I am here to ask you. Have you called your children? You need to call them. Because I have been calling them and nobody is speaking.
Hey! Oh. You were going on your errand. You decided to divert. A chocha where your diversion should be, in my own house, to greet an elderly woman before you continue on your mission. Monitoring spirit. I'm also a director. Did I hear you say you were calling my children's line and they were not picking? Bam. Who gave you my children's number? Why are you calling my children? Why? Why are you calling them? Onyekachi, tell me, does any human being look like this?
No. They've eaten her.
I don't want to see you again near my house. Stay away from my household. Stay away from my children.
One day they will kill her. Mama, let her be. It's okay.
From this house to another.
Mama,
looking for who to destroy.
Just let her be. Oh?
Another time I'm going to my house. I will pour you hot water.
Mama, it's okay now.
Therefore,
let's go inside. Hey.
I was seated here thinking on how to plug the orange at the backyard. So that you will help me to do it.
It's okay.
Toto.
Mama, happy.
What have I done to deserve this kind of treatment? What? It's okay. Men are unpredictable, untrustworthy. In fact, men are scum. They will always be men. Men will always be men. Oh, go. Men are scum. Very big scum. What is all this? It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. I'll go and speak with him. I have to speak some senses into him. Please. I don't know. It's okay. Wazico.
Well, your sister asked you to come talk to me. Well, that girl sent you to come talk to me. Huh?
My good in-law, please, Biko, calm down. Calm down. She didn't send me. I'm only saying that you should calm down on the beating. Look, I know my sister can be stupid sometimes. I know. But I also know that you are right in everything you do. All I am saying is just calm down on this beating before you kill her to death and people will say you use that for rituals.
What do you think I care? Do you think I care if she dies?
I know you don't care. And I don't even care if you care. Honestly, all I just want you to do is the beating for one day, you beat and remain for tomorrow. You don't just have the beating for 3 days. You just beat her one day. You remain for tomorrow. That's all I am saying, no? That is all. She deserves to be beaten. I know. But just calm down small. Please. You know she's still my twin sister. Please. Thank you.
Stuck on you. Got this feeling now. Deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Babe, sweetheart, I'm on my way. Come on now, where is she? Cardele! Ah, there you are. Come on, baby. I've been off food too long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Come here. Come now. See her? Come. Good morning, baby. Morning. You know, I woke up this morning. I didn't see you in the bedroom. You run off again. Remember, I told you today you're not doing the cooking. I'll do the cooking. I'll take care of you. But see now, you have some sparks of sweat on you. I guess you're cooking. Listen, baby. Today I'm feeling all. I'm feeling all mushy. I just want to love you. Come. Stop being dramatic. What is it? What is it? Now you're acting funny. Baby, what is it? Is there a problem? Baby, come on. Huh? Joseph. What is going on, sweetheart? And what's this thing on your head? Why are you stepping away from me? Joseph, mommy does not want to play. Huh? What is the problem?
You act as if you don't know.
Don't know what?
Daddy, you beat mommy up and gave her that injury on her head.
What?
Yes.
What did you say happened to mommy?
You beat mommy up and gave her that scar on her head. But why, Daddy?
What?
I'm sorry for whatever must have happened yesterday. I'm sorry for whatever thing you held against me. I don't even care whose fault it is. But I take full responsibility. My husband, this is not us. This is not us. Please, don't let the devil come between us, please. Please. You are my king. And I'll forever be your queen. Please. Please. Please, please.
I'm sorry too, baby. Whatever it is, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I love you. And I'm sorry.
You're my true love. I love you so much. You're my little. You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything. This is true love. Love on a sugar sugar. Akuro yamiri mancha. True love. You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything. What a sweet love. This is true love. Funny make a one name. Oh, love a sucker. You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything. If I had to live my life again, I would find you sooner, so that I could love you longer, love more. You are my heart and soul, my treasure, my today, tomorrow, my everything. Some people want to know our secret. Some people want to know what did they give us to joy. They say they want to be like us. People they ask me what did I see in you. I just smile. I'm welcome now. I just laugh. You are my everything. You're my true love. I love you so much. You're my little. You are my heart and soul, my treasure.
Yeah, because I know you love cooking.
But that's true.
Really?
You can skip 24 hours. What is wrong with you?
Like you don't enjoy it.
No, I don't.
No, I do.
Oh, now you do.
I do.
Now you do. Now you do.
What are you doing? Please, can you stop this? What is it?
So that's how it has been all the while.
food bill?
But with time, I think everything will take shape again.
But you never told me that.
I'm sorry about that.
You're not a cheat.
Oh, come on, I'm not. Hello. Yeah, hello? Who is this, please? Who is speaking? Moses. Please, who is Moses? Okay, so what's the problem? Hello?
Who was that?
OJ's gate man. He said there's a very big problem at home, that if I don't come as early as possible with that, I may not meet anyone alive.
I don't understand. What's that supposed to mean?
That's what I don't understand. Let me put a call across to his wife and find out what the problem is.
I hope it's not something serious.
I doubt it. I doubt it's not something serious, but let me make a call first.
Only make the call now.
I am on it already, babe. She's not picking up. I'm on it.
Oh my goodness. I just pray everyone is safe.
Yeah, sure.
Can I call with my phone?
Of course, you can go ahead and call. Maybe I'll call my friend. Let me call OG to find out what the problem is.
Okay.
But I believe everything is well. You know, reported speech, he might just call under tension. He will start, shaking as something is that.
You can really tell, Oni. You can.
It's okay.
Let me just try. She's not taking. It's not even connecting.
Oh. Do you have a second line?
Yes, I do.
Okay, try her second line. Even my friend is not picking up.
It's still not connecting on me. Oh my goodness, I just hope they are all safe. Because I'm tense already.
Oh, you don't need to. I believe everything's under control. Don't worry, I'll go there. Oh, come on, honey. Why are you tensed up?
It's life we're talking about here.
I know, but who knows if it's live? Let's just hope that, like I said earlier, it's a reported speech. But you know, this illiterate guy, they may just say something and put you under tension. It might not be something that too terrible or something that bad.
Can you believe that?
Sure.
And pray so too.
I know so.
You just have to get home on time. When you just increase the speed, I beg you.
How long has this been happening? Do you have any knowledge?
Yes. Okay, I get me too much knowledge. Okay? This is not the second time where this kind of thing they happen. The first one put me for big confusion. I think say na love one titi we don't graduate to higher level. Until today on come worse. Nobody feel even gather stand separate them. If I like me, don't fire me. It be like so I got it here somewhere. Madam even here. I can't remember say I get your number. That day where you and Oga send me, I go bring better mechanic. We go repair that your car. Now I can say no. I call you. Say this matter don't enter market to the dance break dance.
This is serious.
Very serious, madam. So serious.
Where is she? She's okay. She'll be fine.
She's fine.
It's okay. We'll be on our way now.
You should go and rest. When you run small, you rest.
It's okay.
Zokwaneke.
I won't find something or this thing for you.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
It's okay. We'll check up on them much later, okay?
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
All right.
Please take care of her, okay?
I'm taking care of you.
Yeah, I will.
Junior.
It's okay.
All right, then.
See you soon, okay?
Later, eh?
All right.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Mom, you're better now, right?
Is that you?
It is me. Flesh and blood.
What is really happening? Am I going to die?
Shh! You are not going to die. As long as I serve a living God, you will not die. You have not seen anything. You want to die. Don't say that. Clean your mouth. Clean it.
Tracy, hold my hand.
This one.
Something is wrong somewhere.
Something is definitely wrong somewhere.
Spoon, we take golden spoon. All of a sudden, this has fallen apart. On a Papa Buzonyara, Mama Buzonyara, Alile
Uji. Bro.
This is so strange, so strange. Uji. Amuma nabazie, Amuma nabazie ni baby boyfriend. Amuma nabazie, Amuma nabani baby boyfriend. go behind them. Wafuo, Mataka, Nologi di Punja. Satan go behind them. Wafuo, Mataka, Nologi di Punja. Satan go behind them. Wafuo, Mataka, Nologi di Punja. You are full of destruction. Satan go behind them. She's unhappy. She came for a mission just because of what she had. You are happy. Open up to your sister. Why are you doing this to your sister? You claim to love her, but you are causing her pains, destructions in her family. What do you stand to gain? She can't sleep anymore. You have taken sleep away from her eyes. Her happiness is gone. What do you stand to gain? If you kill your sister, who will replace her? All because of you. What do you stand to gain?
Speak now. Eh? Why is this girl not picking her call? Happy Bugoya. Eh? Hi. Che. Pick your call. Pick your call. Hey.
Satan go behind them. Mataka, Nologi di Punja. Satan go behind them.
Where the catching woman? I am so worried. I fear that all is not well. I have been trying to contact Chikodere on phone, all to no avail. The last time I got her, she kept telling me that all is well, all is well. Why her voice is saying something else? I have this feeling that all is not well.
Mama, please don't do this. I don't want you to cry. But I don't understand. What could Auntie Chikodri be hiding from us?
That is what I don't know. I don't sleep well. I
understand, Mama. I understand how you feel. But please, you need to calm down, okay? Nothing has happened.
I should calm down.
Calm down, Mama. Calm down.
I've not felt like this before in so many years.
Just look at your eyes.
I don't sleep well.
I know, but please, calm down.
Your sister is dying. She's dying slowly from each day that passes. The shining light has suddenly disappeared. The sun leaves the day only to return at night. The moon leaves at night only to return at day. Everything has suddenly turned upside down in my life. She's suffering a cause that she doesn't even know how and when it started. She's not even sure of what tomorrow brings. it occurred to me that I have a twin sister. A twin sister of whom I am bonded with from birth. And I know that no harm can come to any of us except we give our consent. I gave you my document. And my properties. So you can take care of my child. Just in case anything happens to me. Realized that if my twin sister stands and fights with me, I can win any battle. Fight with me. Make a wish with me, and it shall come to pass. Yes, we can. Yes. What a world. An irony of life indeed. They kill you in secret. And then they come around in the open, offer a handshake with smiles in their faces. And when things turn around, they return with crocodile tears to change what they initiated themselves. But then, it is too late. What exactly are you talking about? You sit there. You ask me what I am talking about. You can actually pretend, you know. You can pretend to death that you don't know what I am talking about. I mean, I thought we were twin sisters. Like, we share the same bond, the same blood, the same womb we came out from. We promised to each other to stand by each other no matter the condition. Chikodere, why did you steal my destiny? Chikodere, what have I done to you? I mean, what has your twin sister done to you? What have I done to deserve this hatred from you? I mean, there are other people for you to do your fetish whatever with. Why your own twin sister? Why me? You took my shining star. You took your twin sister's shining star for your own good. Huh? Right? Bravo. Bravo. No. This is not my sister talking. Who has been feeding you with all these? Who? I assure you, what you are experiencing is just the beginning. By the time That is, if you still have a life inside you, then maybe, just maybe, I will answer that question. I will destroy you. Chikodiri, I will destroy you just the way you planned on destroying me. Please, you have to turn back from this path you have taken. Whoever or whatsoever that is leading you through this path wants to destroy us. Can't you see? It's so obvious they want to destroy us. Please don't let them. Don't let them. They know they cannot get to us except we give them our consent. Please, don't give them your consent for them to destroy us. Please, don't. Please don't. Yes, you had challenges in the past, but we fall to rise. With time, all this will change and you have a song of victory to sing. Ejima, please, don't let them. The bond we share should stand the test of time. We are one, body and soul. We are inseparable. Please don't let them. Please. Mom, I love you. I will love you till death do us part. Please. Then be ready. Be ready for that death to do us apart.
What is it? You talk to me. What is it?
I am fine.
No, you're not. You are crying. You're crying. What is it? What is it? Look. Please. I don't like the way you're crying. It's breaking my heart. I beg you, please. Please, if it's about our predicament, I want to assure you that this too will pass and we'll be fine again. Huh?
No.
What? Is that something you want to tell me? Talk to me.
I will be fine.
She's my twin sister. She's my better half. She's my blood. And I love her more than any other thing.
Mom, the devil has decided to play a fast one on us. Coming from the least expected angle. The earlier we do something, the better for us. Mom, what has happened to our prayer life? We don't pray anymore. The Bible says, pray without ceasing. And you said a family that prays together stays together. What then happens now? Mom, do me one favor.